Hello friends, namaste, welcome to my channel. Let's make it lovely. Today I am going to share a easy to make and easy to store Vratam Mandapam or Palavelli that you can use for Varalakshmi Vratam or Ganesh Chathrthi or even Sathyanarayana Vratam. It can be easily detached for storage and reattach quickly when needed. First let me show you what I used to make this mandapam. I'm using 4 of these 1-inch round wooden dowels cut into 24 inches long, 4 of these 4-inch square plates and 8 wooden sticks of 24 inches length. And you need a hot glue gun and some hot glue sticks, and wooden glue is optional. Before getting started with the process, let me clarify about where I bought these sticks. Home improvement stores like Home Depot and Lowe's has a wide range of wooden dowels and sticks, but for small projects they don't cut for free anymore. One way is to take long molding sticks and request them to cut them to size as they don't anyway fit in the car as such. Or you can help yourself with the free cutting tool bench available at these stores. And the 4-inch square wooden plates are from Joanne Craft Store. Now let's get started. I'm using a sandpaper I had on hand and lightly sanding the rough cut edges to get rid of any splinters. This step is optional, but I wanted to smooth them out as I'm planning to reuse it a lot. Next, lay the first 4 sticks into a square shape. Using a hot glue gun, stick the sticks together. You can use wood glue for this frame as well, but just allow it to dry completely. I often use hot glue because it dries quickly. Using a measuring tape, measure and mark the left and right sticks at 8 and 16 inches. Now stick the sticks along the marking with hot glue. After sticking both the horizontal sticks, turn the frame around. Measure and mark the top and bottom edges. As all my sticks are 24 inches long, I am marking them at 8 and 16 inches. Make sure you use hot glue at every intersection of the sticks. Like this, stick the 2 sticks vertically to finish the frame. Make sure to add glue at every intersection to make the frame stronger. Next, to make the pillars, simply put hot glue at the center of the square and stick the round wooden dowel. Hold it in place for at least 40 to 50 seconds until the glue bonds. Make sure to add enough hot glue. If you want to stick them with wood glue, add a bit of hot glue in the middle and wood glue on either side. Otherwise, you can use a clamp and hold the wood glue in place until it bonds. Instead, it's easier to just use hot glue alone, but wood glue bonds last longer. Now place 4 pillars at 4 corners and place the frame on top of them. Now using hot glue, stick the frame to the pillars. Do not use wood glue here if you want it to be detachable for storage. At the end of the video, I'll also show you how to detach and store the mandap easily. Stick all the 4 pillars to the corners of the frame. This is a simple Palavelli or Vratam Mandapam. You can paint it brown, yellow or any color you like, but I'm just dressing up the pillars with yellow marigold garlands for now. Simply tape one edge of the garland to the pillar, wrap it around and secure the other end with another piece of tape. I used 2 marigold garlands for each pillar. Next, I am adding these white beads and rose hangings to the top frame to decorate it further. I showed how I made these hangings in one of my previous videos. I will add the link in the description box below if you want to see. I added these long hangings for all around the frame except the front. And I added these short hangings to the center so that the god's picture won't be covered by hangings. For Ganesh Pooja, you can also add small fruits and real flowers like we usually do. You can just add a shawl or sari to backdrop to finish the decoration. In one of my old videos, I clearly explained how to use shawl or sari as backdrop cloth. Please check the video link below in the description box. And this is a DIY leaf toran that I posted in my channel recently. Now let me show you how to dismantle this easily for storage. You need a blow dryer for easy dismantling. Use a blow dryer in hottest and fastest setting and point it at the joint where the top frame and the pillars are joined. The hot blow from hairdryer will melt the glue in a minute or so, and then you can pull it apart easily. Do this at all 4 joints, and then the top frame can be separated from pillars easily and stored under the bed or closet corner until next puja. Depending on how hot your blow dryer can get, you might need to blow it multiple times until the glue melts. You can also remove all the garlands and hangings if you wish. Using a butter knife, scrape off any excess glue on the pillars, so you can easily stick it for next use. You can even accessorize this top frame for a small puja backdrop. I actually made this mandap for our housewarming puja. If you haven't checked our housewarming backdrop, please check the link in the description box below. If you make this mandap or Palavelli, don't forget to share it with me on Instagram and follow me on Instagram for more updates. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share.